welcome to day 3 of Vlogmas 2020 with Pro Manhattan. Today I'm making Christmas cards. If you want to get on my Christmas card list, it's very easy to do. All you have to do is send mail to my email address or sign up through my website and my fan club. Both addresses are down in the description. Also, stick around to the end of the video for today's giveaway. So let's make some cards, shall we? The first item in my stack of supplies is this set of gift tags from the Dollar Tree. They have a set of 12 little gift tags. They have 3 different styles. I like this one because it's got my buffalo plaid in it, and I've mentioned how much I enjoy that buffalo plaid. There's 2 of each design. I have a few pieces of cardstock here. It's lightweight cardstock. This actually came in a ream, which is the big pack, from Walmart for about $6-7, I think. So not everything's Dollar Tree today, but. And then I have some decorative scrapbooking paper, and you can buy this by the sheet at Michael's, at Joann's, at Hobby Lobby, at whatever craft store you enjoy. I picked these 2 colors because I think they go well together. I am going to cut these. These are 8.5 by 11 inches, and I'm going to cut them in half on the 11-inch side, which will make them 2 sets of 5.5 by 8.5 inches. So there, I've cut those in half. And the next thing we're going to do is, I think I want, there's a lot of red, there's not a lot of green, so I think I want a green background to be my biggest part. So we're going to cut the red paper into rectangles. Let me cut this. Always remember when you're cutting this the scrapbook paper, sometimes it comes with this this edge with all the information, the barcode. Cut that off. That does not count as part of the paper usually. The first background matting is, we're going to cut it into pieces that are 5 inches by 3 3/4 inches, and this will make sense in a little bit. I'll explain this more when I put them together. So there's my 5-inch strip, and here's a 3 3/4 inch, and then we'll just do a couple of these, 3 3/4 inch and 3 3/4 inch. Okay. And you'll need to cut as many of those as you are making cards. And then our green is our second matting, and it's going to go on top of the red. First I'm going to cut off this little edge here. And then this one's going to be 4.5 inches by 3 1/4 inches. All right. Now, why did I cut them to those sizes? Well, here you go. Remember, we cut our 11 by 8.5 inch paper in half. That gave us 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. You can use a scoreboard to do this. You can use a ruler. I like to just do it by eyeball. We're going to fold that in half on the 8.5 side. I'm going to fold it in half, and we're going to make that. I'm going to take my little folder, it's the end of my knife from my scoring board, and I'm going to fold that down. Now I have a card, and of course it's a little uneven, but I'll go back and shore that up. Can always try and fix it. There we go. Let me fix that, or it will bother me. But see, it's easily fixed. There you go. Now, this card is what's called an A2 size. We have 5.5 inches by 4 1/4 inches. There we go. Now, the reason I cut this paper the way I did, and I'll put the measurements back up there for you in post edit, so I'm going to take and lay this on there, and I'm going to lay this one on there. And already you can see how beautiful that is turning out to be, right? And then I'm going to use double-sided tape, but let me go ahead and show you what this is going to look like. I'm going to take one of these, take my cards out of the packaging, and they're just affixed to this acetate by little sticky things, but you can pull those off. You leave them on, it doesn't matter. And then you've already got this nice little line right here. You can take your scissors, cut it straight as you can. It's not really gonna matter. Cut it straight as you can, and that is just going to sit on top. And we're going to tape it all down just like that. I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial on some Christmas cards that are so inexpensive but come out looking so beautiful. Our giveaway today is something really fun. You saw how I made my cards. If you've gone to my Etsy shop, Miss Pearl's shop on Etsy, there's a link below in the description. You've seen that I make beautiful card sets of all different types and styles. I am offering the winner of this giveaway will get a set of stationery. I'm sorry, I'm grabbing this one. It will not necessarily be this set unless this set is still for sale and you want it. But it will be a custom set box stationery set. This one happens to be cookies, gingerbread cookies. And in that set will be a stamp container, a journal, a coordinating pen. We have some small cards, note cards, 3x3. We have a set of A2 cards with envelopes, and we have some lovely little tags that match. These can be used for bookmarks, they can be put on gifts, whatever you want to use them for. They're really handy. But I will be giving away a set in your choice of style and color. All you have to do to enter my giveaway today is be a subscriber to my channel. So click that red subscribe button and click the bell so you get notifications every day of when my new Vlogmas videos are going up and when I do my lives and everything else. The second thing you need to do is like this video. Give me a like. And the third thing you need to do is leave me a comment down below about the cards, about the card box, about the video. I love hearing from my subscribers, and this way, by leaving a comment, you get a chance to win something. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. See you tomorrow.